Hi Hi9 viewers, I am Dr. Harikishan Gonuguntla. I am the Senior Intervention Pulmonologist from Yashoda Hospital, Secunderabad. Today's question is, does this bronchial thermoplasty will have any risk or side effects? As you know, bronchial thermoplasty is the latest advanced treatment for severe asthma. We will discuss about the side effect profile of the procedure. As of now, there are no serious adverse effects related with this kind of procedure. This is daycare procedure done in the OPD basis. The patient gets admitted on the day of procedure. He will undergo a spirometry, and then after the procedure, if your spirometry falls into the discharge criteria, patient can be discharged on the same day. This is completely a scarless procedure. This is not a kind of surgery or anything. This is just an endoscopic approach to treat the airways. In this procedure, we use a very small catheter which can deliver heat energy to the airways, thus reducing the airway smooth muscle load. Side effect profile is very less in the 10-year data what we have on bronchial thermoplasty. You might experience mild increase in the symptoms during the procedure, that is in between the 3 sittings of the procedure. Other than this, bronchial thermoplasty is very safe procedure. There is no adverse effects related to this procedure. Thank you very much for watching.